5 Astonishing things found inside ice that stunned archaeologists after research. Number 5. Baby mammoth. In 2022, a research team in Yukon, Canada, found the fossil of a baby mammoth in a gold mine. When scientists studied this fossil, they discovered that the animal was around 30,000 years old. This is the first and only baby mammoth ever found by researchers. The scientists named it Nunchoga, which means big baby animal. Number 4. Cave bear. In 2020, a research team found the fossil of a cave bear on an island in Siberia. What was surprising was that the fossil was perfectly preserved. Upon further research, it was discovered that this fossil was about 40,000 years old. These cave bears used caves during winter to protect themselves from the cold. This was the first ever cave bear fossil found, which had never been discovered before. Number 3. Yucca mammoth. In 2010, a research team in Siberia discovered the fossil of an animal. The surprising thing was that the fossil was well preserved. It weighed 1,000 kilograms. When studied, it was found to be the fossil of an animal that lived about 38,000 years ago, called the Yucca mammoth. This animal looked similar to an elephant. The Yucca mammoth was herbivorous, feeding on grass, not carnivorous. Number 2. Siberian horse foal. In 2018, a research team in Siberia discovered the fossil of a horse foal in the Batagai crater. Researchers were amazed to see that the body was perfectly preserved. Upon further research, it was found that this horse foal died just 2 weeks after birth. The fossil belonged to an animal that lived around 45,000 years ago, known as the Lena horse. This was the first ever fossil of a Siberian horse foal discovered. Number 1. Dinosaur fossil in Antarctica. In 1985, Argentine paleontologists discovered a dinosaur fossil on James Ross Island in Antarctica. The two scientists who made this discovery were Eduardo Alvaro and Roberto Scasso. This was the first ever dinosaur fossil found in Antarctica. After years of research and hundreds of tests, it was found to be the fossil of an animal that lived around 200 million years ago, known as Ankylosaurus. This animal was about 30 feet long and weighed around 6,000 kilograms. Surprisingly, it was herbivorous, not carnivorous. The unique feature of this animal was its heavy armor-like shell.